Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. Today, we are going to explore some more options in Microsoft Word. So, first, let's check how to set column in Microsoft Word. Columns are the vertical placement or division of page. To divide a document into columns, you have to go to Layout option, then click on the column option. You can see here, okay. It will split the text into two or more columns. Okay, the default selection for columns is 1. As you can see, the whole page is undivided into one column. So enter columns, you have to go to column option and then select the number of columns you want. Suppose here I selected 2. Next, you can see the page is divided into 3 columns. Left, then right column. Columns are generally used in newspaper, journals, academic books, online blogging, and many other places. You can also select custom number of columns by click on the column option in the layout tab, then go to more columns. From here, you have to enter the number of columns you want. Suppose I enter here 4 and the width or spacing of the columns. Press OK. You can see over here, again look at here, 4 columns. Click on the equal column width, so all the column will have the same width. You can see all the columns are having same width. You can also specify different width for different columns. So go to the columns option, then more columns, and untick the equal column widths and specify your desired width of the column. Suppose I am giving here, the first column will be of 4 cm. Spacing means the space between two columns. The second one will be 3 cm and the third will be 5 cm. So automatically the fourth will be selected as per the page size and click on OK. Now let's talk about header and footer. So what is header? The top margin of a page, this white space. This top margin of a page is called header and the bottom margin of a page is called footer. It can be a text as well as it can be a picture. Header and footer are useful when you want to repeat a text or picture in the heading or at the bottom of every page, like your name or the page number or the title of the page, date, etc. Now let's insert header in this page or in this document. So for inserting header, first go to Insert tab. Then from the header and footer, you have to select header. From here, choose the desired format which you want to insert. You can select the predefined format. Okay. So like this is blank, this is 3 columns blank, this is Austin, this is Band-Aid. There are many options available already. So I am taking this one. You can see the header part is here. Now type the document title, like I am giving Incredible India. And when you're done, you can press the close header and footer option. Now just look at a different page. You can see the header is repeated in the second page also. Similarly, suppose you want to insert the page number at the bottom of the page. So we can easily go to the insert option, then click on the footer option. From here you can insert the design of the footer. Suppose I am taking this footer, so I have selected it. You can see page and its number, it is automated, and click on the close footer. Now you can see this is the header part, Incredible India, and on the bottom it is page number 1. Now you can see the changes in page number 2. So now you can understand how header and footer is useful. Next, you can also edit, delete the header or footer, or you can also insert header and footer by another shortcut way, that is, double click on the white margin space of the header or footer. You can see now your header and footer is automatically selected. From here, from the design menu of header and footer tools, you can select your desired header and footer option. And after that, insert your text or picture and then click on close header and footer. You can also define the various options available here, like page number. Where you want to insert the page number? Okay, top of the page. So these are the options that are already available. Next, bottom of the page. So some predefined options are already there. These page margins means on the left margin, right margin, vertical left or vertical right. These are predefined options. And look here, the position. From here you can define the margin of header and footer. Here the margin is header from top 1.25 centimeter. So this space from the top is 1.25 centimeter. You can decrease it or increase it. You can see the changes. Where you want to insert the header in your page. You can understand, if I decrease the white space, the header goes up, and if I increase the white space on the top, then the header automatically goes down. So for this, select the footer, and now look here. You can see the footer is coming upside. By using this, the footer is going down. And then click on the close header and footer option. So you can insert header and footer by two easy way. One is by going to insert option and then from the header and footer tool, select header or footer as you want to insert. Another way is just be on the document, click on the white margin on the top or white margin on the bottom to insert header or footer respectively. Like, just double click and you can see header is selected. Similarly, at the bottom, double click and the footer is selected. So that's all for the day. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.